This sesame flatbread is really flexible, how it's supposed to be. You can easily bend it. Welcome back to our simple home. For this recipe I need 350 ml of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, I dissolve it in the water, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. I combine everything nicely and let it sit for about 10 minutes. I add 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, mix it well until the dough is nice and soft. I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a bowl and just spread it out in the bowl. Then I transfer the dough into the bowl. With oily fingers, I shape the dough into a ball. I let it rest and rise for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now it is about double in size. I split the dough in half. I place each half on a prepared baking sheet and then I stretch it with my fingers. Then I stretch it or shape it to the shape I want it to be, like an oval or a rectangle, square, whatever you prefer. I prefer not to use a rolling pin. I like to keep all the air bubbles in it and keep the dough soft and nice, fluffy. Once I'm all done, I cover those flatbreads again with a towel and let it rest and rise for another half an hour. Then in a small bowl or a glass, I whisk 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. Once the water and the egg is nicely combined, I uncover the flatbreads and with a brush, I brush the egg mixture on the flatbreads. I sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds on each flatbread. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. I turn on my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and place the flatbread in the cold oven. I let it bake for about 10 minutes. Once done, I place the next one in it and bake again for 10 minutes. The key is not to over bake it, then it will be not flexible, it will be crunchy. And this is how my flatbreads turned out. A close-up look. Here you can see the flatbread is soft and you can easily bend it, and it's really flexible. Now I will cut it and taste it. Here you can see how it looks from the inside, nice and fluffy and air bubbles in it. It is very easy to bend, even if it's a corner. And now the taste. It's really yummy. The sesame seeds on top gives such a yummy taste. I don't know how to explain. It tastes so good. I love it. Well, I will go and eat my flatbread, and I hope you will try this recipe too. Thank you for watching.